Today I stand before you to share the historical significance of my life and presidency. Firstly, I come from a humble background, raised in New Hampshire, and I rose through the ranks of public service to become the 14th President of the United States of America. My journey exemplifies the possibilities that exist for every American. Secondly, during my presidency, I focused on preserving the delicate balance between North and South on the issue of slavery. Though my efforts were intended to maintain harmony, they ultimately exacerbated the tensions that would lead to the American Civil War. Thirdly, I played a role in expanding our nation's territory through the Gadsden Purchase, which acquired additional land from Mexico. This acquisition aimed to facilitate the construction of a southern transcontinental railroad, promoting connectivity and economic growth. Fourthly, I emphasized the importance of foreign relations and strengthened diplomatic ties. I sought to expand trade with other nations and negotiated the Treaty of Kanagawa with Japan, opening new opportunities for commerce. Lastly, I supported the development of infrastructure, including advocating for the construction of the Washington Monument, a symbol of our nation's history and unity. As I reflect upon my life and the legacy I leave behind, I am mindful of the controversies surrounding my presidency. While some may question my decisions, I made them with the best intentions for the nation and the challenges of my time. Let us remember the achievements of those who came before us and work tirelessly to build a better future. May we learn from history's lessons and strive for unity, justice, and progress for all Americans.